Hello, everyone. Welcome to the screencast of my digital portfolio, in which you'll be able to get a walkthrough of everything I included in my portfolio to build my brand and maintain a positive web presence. This is my welcome page. In my welcome page, I included links to my social media accounts, and you can just click on them and they will open. This is my LinkedIn account. I've included an about me part in my LinkedIn account, my education, and I'm looking forward to including and keep building my LinkedIn as I gain more experience. You can also access my Twitter. I don't usually tweet. You can see that I don't usually tweet. I've never tweeted, just replies and stuff. But I use my Twitter as a way to communicate and to actually obtain information and news and to follow people that I like and that I think are doing positive things online. And I just want to keep updated. That's why I created my Twitter account in the first place. But now that I know the importance of having a positive web presence, I'm looking forward to update my Twitter and use it as a platform to speak up and to communicate and create connections with more people. My Facebook page is also here. You can click on it and it will take you. Everyone should be able to access it. I also included an about me page. Basically, I just mentioned my name, Camila, and that I'm currently a junior at Stony Brook University. I was born and raised in the Dominican Republic. I came here when I was 15. I used to come here all the time, but to actually live here, I came when I was 15. When I did my senior and junior year of high school here, and then I went to Stony Brook, where I'm pursuing a degree in health science. I just mentioned all of that because I think it's important for employers to see my background and to see what I'm currently interested in doing. I want to go to PA school, so I mentioned that. And I think the main reason why I want to go to PA school is because I'm really passionate about helping people and providing support to those who need it. And I think that by pursuing a career as a PA, I will be able to do that. I also included that I like traveling and spending time with my family because I think it's also important to show your human side and what you like doing. And I really love being with my family and my friends. So I just thought I should mention that. I also put my resume. Whoever accesses my site can see it right away. In my resume, I just mentioned that I'm fluent in Spanish and English and some of the awards that I've gained and my extracurricular activities or job experiences and academic activities. I currently work as a junior coordinator at the campus rec at Stony Brook. I started off as a monitor. You can see that here. I got promoted last semester. And yeah, I really like my job. I'm able to communicate with people and to basically provide support and collaborate with others in order to create a good job environment and also to provide good customer service to the patrons that are coming in. Last summer, I worked as a college coach for New Visions for public schools. I assisted over 100 graduating seniors from my high school, and I helped them in successfully completing the college process. I helped them fill out FAFSA and TAP and all those little things that they needed, as most of them were first generation students, so they needed support because their family didn't know. And I was there to support them and to take them to schools and all that. I also worked with other coaches that were doing that to plan college tours and to try to provide the best we could to those seniors so that they could take advantages of all the opportunities that they are going to find along the way. Also, I included my education. Obviously, I'm currently at Stony Brook pursuing a degree in health science. I'm part of a college leadership and service. And I went to Manhattan Bridges High School. I also included my e-portfolio, which I created during my Writing 102 class. And I wanted to include it because I think it's really relevant to who I am and to my story, because I took it in a more personal level, and I discussed the educational system from my point of view and as a minority. And I think is a really important part of who I am and what I've done and how I've grown. And even though I wrote it when I was a freshman, I I still think it's really relevant, and I still agree with everything I said in there. You can just click on the link here, and it will take you to the education side. And when you click Writing 102, you'll be able to see all my essays, and you just click on them, for example, like that. Um, Also, I included highlights, in which I mentioned that I was in a project for my senior year of high school, and we actually created a video, and I provided the link right here, so you can just click on it, and it'll take you to YouTube where the video is. Also, I mentioned how I work as a college coach, and I included the newspaper from New Visions that they had with explaining what the program was about for my information. And lastly, I included my hobbies and interests. I really love watching Friends and Grey's Anatomy. I just thought I should include that. Like I mentioned before, I like being with my family and my friends, and I love getting to actually know people and new cultures. That's why I like traveling. I don't get to do it that much, but hopefully I will. And I like talking about social justice. And lastly, I like providing support to those who need it, like I mentioned. I hope you enjoy my work. You enjoy my work through to my digital portfolio, and I'm hoping to keep building my brand as it goes.